When data comes into Excel from other applications, you may find it has formatting that you need or want to strip out so that you're just starting with raw data. So if I want to remove all the formatting on this spreadsheet, the easiest way to do that is to highlight the entire worksheet, come up to clear, click the drop arrow and choose Clear Formats. This will remove the formatting and turn the data back into raw data, ready for you to then do what you need to do with it.